Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And today I'll be picking one card for the message from your person. So this may be what they have in mind to tell you. And this is the fortune cookie for you all today, Aries. So we will leave it here. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description so you can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Five of Spheres, Cardinal of Stars, and Ten of Spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone truly determined, courageous. So whatever your circumstances may be, you try to try to do things in the right way. Try to though you may be in a tight spot, having a lot of burdens on your shoulders, having a lot of things you need to decide or plan for, you are not someone to lose hope or lose heart. You are a very strong and determined soul. You have that perseverance, confidence, no matter what you see in your circumstances. You try to put in your best efforts, try to do things with a lot of talent, and you are a person who has your way of doing things. So that may be true even in this relationship. So you love this person and you want to make a decision in this connection, decide on something, and you are a person who stands by your choices. So whatever choices you make today, Aries, you try to stand by those choices, though you may feel that there is a chance this person may misunderstand you or leave you because of your stubbornness, because of the way you are imposing your ideas or trying to do things your way. Though there is a risk of hurting this person, you are someone who does not give up so easily. You are someone who is very stubborn and determined. So you love this person, you want them, and you try to win their heart. You are trying your best. You are trying your best to win them over. So you are not someone to take no for an answer. So you love this person. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you, Aries. So maybe they are thinking of you in an obsessed way, or you are thinking of them in an obsessed way, and you don't take no for an answer. So you are holding on patiently for their answer or what is their decision today. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Abbess of Stars in reverse. So in this relationship, maybe this person, it may be you are in a circumstance, you need to ask yourself honestly, deep down, whether you truly love this person or not, and whether love is the reason for your obsession or your stubbornness. You must think for yourself, and you must ask whether you desire this person truly. That is going to give you the answer today. Maybe your stubbornness may be because you just want to prove yourself right. If that is the case, you must think twice. But if you feel that you truly love this person, that is the reason for your stubbornness, the reason for you to want this person so badly, then you can go ahead, propose your love, try to win their heart, Aries. So that is the energy here with this card. So for your career circumstances, we will see what is the card. It is Ace of Spheres in reverse. So in your work circumstances today, you may see a lot of opportunities. It may look very lucrative, it may look very good and positive, but you need to be really careful about the choices or about decisions you make, because all that glitters may not be gold, Aries. So you must try to separate good opportunities from those that may just look good. So you must be careful today. And for your message from this person, we did pick one card. So we will see what it is. You have affected my life significantly. So this person you love, they feel that you have influenced them in a very strong way. Maybe it is something like they have changed in some ways because of you, Aries. So that is the energy here. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today. Aries, the lucky inspiration for you. Achievement, enjoy the limelight, you have earned it. Although on the family friend, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. So that is the fortune cookie for you all today. Maybe you are happy about something, but at the same time, there is something you need to worry. Maybe you should take care of your family members today, Aries. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Aries. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Aries.